Hello and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you for joining us. This video is a special one. We really appreciate you guys supporting us, liking the videos, sharing, and leaving comments. It really means a lot. We received lots of comments, lots of requests. Today, actually, I wanted to do one on my own, and we are going to do Bob Clemente, or Roberto Clemente. Roberto Clemente was a Puerto Rican baseball player for the Pittsburgh Pirates. This you can see as a 1957 Topps Bob Clemente baseball card that I collect. So we collect baseball cards. This is a cool one. I actually lived in Puerto Rico for a couple of years, so this is one of my favorite players. He's an old player from the 50s, 60s, 70s. Played 18 seasons. I'll leave that right there, why not? Roberto Clemente played 18 seasons in the major leagues. Was a right fielder. He was a 15-time All-Star, 2-time World Series champion, MVP, Gold Glove winner, 3,000 hits, 240 home runs, all-around superstar. His baseball cards are awesome. So we're gonna get started here. So Roberto Clemente, let's start with find the center, get your dark marker. And if my fingers look dirty, I apologize. I was out doing some mechanical work on the car and boat, so a little dirty. All right, so let's do the brim of the hat really quick. We're gonna do a little arch, like so. Bump, bump, and then connect with another arch. If you like vintage baseball players, let us know. Let us know who we should draw next. Let's do the hat going up on the side. We're gonna angle it kind of rounded to the top and then down. There we go. Now we're gonna do Bob Clemente's face. I don't know why I say Bob. To me it's Roberto, but whatever. All right, bring the face down on the side, down on the side. And then we'll do a jaw coming down to the chin. Round chin up to the jaw and connect. All right, let's do a couple of ears on the side. 1, 2, and we'll do some sideways ovals. 1, these are kind of skinnier, squished ovals. 2, we'll do a circle on the inside. Remember, these circles on the inside, they stay white. These are the highlights of the eyes that kind of bring our characters to life. So we do a circle, 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 a bump, and then we're gonna color this area in with our dark marker, leaving those highlights white. And then I like to always quickly grab a light blue, and I like to fill in this bottom section with blue. To me, it represents the reflection of the sky or the stadium off of the player's eyes. Okay? So now let's do, why don't I just leave this here? It's kind of cool to see. I'm just gonna leave that baseball card. I just love baseball cards. So we're gonna go bump up and down, angle up to a point, and then down for the eyebrow. We're gonna go up, so it's kind of thicker in the middle. It's pointed on each end and thicker, kind of like a triangle. There we go. We'll do find the side of the eye and come down and make a dot. Side of the eye, come down and make a dot. There's the edge of the nose. Go up, down, up. Bump on each side. Find the center of the head, come down below the mouth. Do a dot, that's gonna be the top of the mouth. And he's gonna go, that'll be like the lip coming up, down. And we'll do the bottom of the mouth coming down, like that, okay? This is the lip. There we go. Bob Clemente's mouth. We have a top lip, a bottom lip. All right, awesome, looking good. We'll do a little chin bump. Okay, let's do the neck. Come down, angle in a little bit, come down, angle in. We're gonna bring it to a point. Let's do the shoulders. Angle down, come down to the sleeve, come in, come down to the sleeve and come in, up, up. Now we're gonna come down to the waist. The waist of our player, straight across, connect to the waist. Looking good. All right, Bob. Roberto. Let's do the baseball over here, big circle. Roberto Clemente just caught an outfield fly. Let's do 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the fingers holding onto the baseball. Do the arm coming out and into the baseball, kind of hiding back there. Now, over here, he's gonna be resting on the baseball bat. So we're gonna do a, watch this, we'll do a sideways kind of jelly bean shape. See that? Goes small and it gets fatter. That's his hand, kind of a cartoon hand resting on the bat. Bump, bump, there's the end of the bat, and we're gonna bring it down to the bottom, round it out, start skinny up here, and get fatter as we go down to the bottom of the bat. There we go. Okay, we're gonna do arm, arm, and then it kind of curves into the, it's kind of hiding behind that hand. All right, so now we got a waistline, down, down, come across, some legs that come down, up, down, round out the knee, connect that leg there, awesome. We're gonna do the calf area. Starts out wide and comes down to the ankle, gets skinny. Starts out wide, comes down to the ankle. It's hidden behind the bat there. Okay, let's do the shoes. We got the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. We're gonna bring that shoe out and down. Come straight across to the heel and stop, and then connect. Bring this heel down. It's kind of hiding behind this bat, so we'll bring it over to the side of the page over here. Bring that toe up, bump it in. Awesome. So Bob Clemente's looking good, looking real good. All right, so we are gonna now do the details. We're gonna do the number 21 with our dark marker. So here we go. And the word pirates. Actually, let's do pirates first. The best we can. This will be a challenge, so do square R, an I, and a P. Doesn't have to be perfect, but A, T, E, and an S. All right. Kind of thicken these up a little bit. And to really get the details, you kind of have to go look at a picture of the old Pirates logo and the lettering. So I'm just going to do the best I can. Basically making bumps. See these bumps on the edge, or the end of each letter. I'm just kind of thickening that letter up. All right, so the number 21, let's go right here. And over here. Okay, I'm just gonna thicken these letters up, or these numbers. You can either pause or fast forward this part, but I'm just kind of showing you what I'm doing to make it as real as we can. Okay, number 21. All right, so now that he's got a lot of different stripes. So there's a black stripe, and it goes white, and then back to black. See that? So black, white, black on the socks. Okay, and then this area will be yellow up top. Then he's got a black waistline right here, stripe. And then it goes white and then yellow. So black, white, yellow. And then up here on the arm, it's basically like this. It's gonna be a black, white, yellow, I believe here. Actually, no. Bring that we go. Kind of thicken that up. And then he's gonna have a black undershirt. So I'm gonna thicken up the black on the undershirt area. And then a stripe of black, like that. He's gonna have some black sleeves. So these sleeves will be black. We'll do black sleeve right there. And actually this entire sleeve is gonna be black. There we go. And the hat will be black. So I'm gonna get a yellow, and I'm gonna do a yellow P up here for the Pirates. The best I can, of course. Just kind of thicken this P area, this logo up. Kind of bumps out right here. We've done a couple of Pirates drawings. Actually, we just did a Pittsburgh Steelers drawing. Justin Fields, be on the lookout for that. And we did a Paul Skeens. Look for that. Let's do a yellow stripe right here on the bottom of the waistline. And then we're gonna do this in yellow, these socks. Kind of cool 1960s, 70s uniform. I like it. We'll do a yellow stripe on the shoes, and the color of those shoes may be black. The stripe kind of goes behind the bat, so you gotta make that happen. All right, so now we have a yellow stripe around the black here. See that? I'm just kind of tracing this small black stripe. Tracing this black stripe. Okay. Make it a little bit thicker. And then if we're gonna outline the number 21 in yellow. Kind of do an outline here. If you don't know who Roberto Clemente is, look him up on Google. He's a really classic Hall of Fame baseball player from Puerto Rico. And like I said, we collect his cards, so we just think he's cool. I'm actually too young. I never got to see him play, but for some reason, collecting his cards, I've just become like a little fan of Clemente. So I think he's cool. Plus, I lived in his home country of Puerto Rico for a couple years, and I feel like that was my home for a little while. Awesome. Okay, so now we're gonna fast forward. We're gonna do flesh color, black hat, leave the jersey white. We'll do black sleeves, flesh color, baseball, white pants, and black shoes, and the baseball bat. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Roberto Clemente of the Pittsburgh Pirates, Hall of Fame baseball player. Share this video, let us know who we should draw next. Fast forward now.